Here at WeCare, it's really important for you to be 100% satisfied. That is our goal. That is what we thrive for. My name is Bob Riley. I've been in WeCare for 17 years. A lot of manufacturers require you to get maintenance or tune-ups on your system every year. Getting an AC tune-up every year will actually increase the life of your system. It's going to make sure your system is working properly. There's a lot of components that really need maintenance, and if the maintenance isn't done, your system is going to fail. So basically what we do on an AC tune-up is we're going to check your capacitors, we're going to check your compressors, we're going to check all your voltages, all the terminals to make sure they're good and tight, because your system has been sitting dormant for all winter, and things can happen inside of them. We're going to make sure your Freon level is where it should be. If your Freon level is low, your compressor is going to get overheated and actually have thermal breakdown. We're going to clean your system. We're going to make sure it's clean out inside, because over time you're going to get leaves and dirt and dust down there to make sure your coils are clean. We're actually going to wax your system to get it that little shine and to help put a little bit of UV protection on it. We're also going to actually check your heater, because people don't think your air conditioner is part of your heater, but your heater is actually the air distribution center of your whole air conditioning system. That when you do flip that switch, you will get cold air. It's really easy to schedule an AC tune-up. Give us a call. Our technician will come out and do a thorough tune-up, and in the long run, it'll definitely save you money. Don't get caught in the heat and have your AC not working. Have it checked out by us at WeCare.